Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to talk about the Wolfgang Uber All-in-One. Now, if you're not familiar with what an all-in-one product is, well, I'm here to tell you. This is something that really streamlines and simplifies a detailer's process in regards to getting a vehicle's finish looking good. And not just the detailer, this is great for DIY enthusiasts, but this product here allows you to basically clean, polish, and protect all in one step. And of course, with that one step, you could either do it by hand or machine, whatever your personal preference is. You're gonna get the best results with a machine because this will really allow the product with its ultra fine abrasives to give you a better polished luster finish. But most of all, also the agitation of the machine to be able to clean the surface. So if you've got light water spots, light swirls, or just a haziness to your finish, this Uber All-in-One product will help bring that back. But most of all, it sets you up for great protection. This has a synthetic sealant in it that's going to give you months worth of protection versus weeks. So you get the best of all those categories in regards to cleaning the paint surface, giving it a nice polished finish, and of course, giving it a synthetic protection that will give you months worth of just being able to enjoy your vehicle. And from there, this will be something that you'll want to keep in your arsenal. Again, for the professional detailer doing production style detailing, or the guy on the weekend that just really wants to get a nice clean car for quite a few months, the Wolfgang Uber All-in-One is going to be one of your go-to products to choose. For more information about Wolfgang products, or of course, more on the Wolfgang Uber All-in-One, visit autogeek.com.